Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Decoration Ideas. The most classic nail design in the world should be the elegant white-tipped French manicure. We can also find out some French manicures designed with other colors like pink, blue, black, and gold. Anyway, all of them will be able to give your nails a beautiful look. Today, let's take a look at these awesome French manicure designs. There are several variations of French manicure. Classic French manicure. This involves a base coat in a light shade, usually pink or beige, with a white tip. Reverse French manicure. The reverse French manicure involves painting the tips of the nails in a darker shade and the base in a lighter shade. Ombre French manicure. This involves gradually blending two colors together on the nail, starting with a light shade at the base and gradually getting darker toward the tip. Glitter French manicure. This is a sparkly take on the classic French manicure, with glitter added to the tips of the nails. Bold French manicure. This involves using a bright or bold color for the tips, instead of the traditional white. These are just a few examples of the different types of French manicures. The options are really limitless, and you can get creative and customize the design to suit your personal style. The famous French nail design earned its reputation among women for its standout white tip over your finger. I always think the French manicure would look best for clear nails. You can add some glittering silver dust, beads, jewels, or decorative bows over your fingernails to complement the white color. It will also be a great idea to have delicate flowers, swirls, or other patterns for your French nails look too. At last, the hottest ombre technique will be able to create a magical look for your new nail design. Thanks for watching.